Hello. So this application called Employee Promotion will allow you to add promotion details of the employees in the system, and you can also keep a track of this, and you can also print the promotion details. So let's see how that's possible. So for that we will go to Employees. Under configurations we have two new submenus called Employee Promotion and Promotion Type. Here you can create new promotion types like I have created position promotion. You can do increment promotion or just bonus promotion or whatever types of promotions you want to add. So you can add that. Once you have added that, we will go to employee promotion and we will create a new promotion. Here you can give name to the promotion. Let's say I'm giving this as first promotion. I will choose the employee here. I will choose the contract. This was his previous salary. This was his previous designation, that is experienced developer. I will add the date of promotion. I will add the new salary over here. I will add the promotion type, position promotion, and I will add the new designation. So I will add as Chief Technical Officer and I will save this. You can also add the description. Congratulations, your first promotion, or just you can add any other details you want, maybe some important notes as well. So once you have added all the things, all the details, you can save this. Then we can go to employees and we can go to Mark. So here is Mark and we have a new tab over here called promotions. If I click on that, you can see the details of Mark. You can see the first promotion name, the employee, the contract, previous job position, and the new job position. So you can keep a record of all the promotions that Mark has received. Now you can also print the promotion details. So if I go to employee promotion again, we'll go to Mark's promotion and I will choose the option over here to print the employee promotion. And you can see here you have all the details of the employee promotion. You have previous salary, new salary designations, and you have the other details as well. So I hope this video was helpful to you. And if you have any questions, please leave your questions in the comment section below and we will get back to you with an answer. Also, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Until then, thank you.